Hey my friends, welcome back to new video. Make sure to subscribe and let's get started. Number 5. Blueberries. This small, dark fruit is rich in antioxidants, especially vitamin C. Blueberries also provide a good dose of vitamin A and fiber. Most grocery stores have blueberries all year round. You can substitute them dark-colored fruit such as pomegranate or cherry. When blueberries are not in season. Number 4. Brussels sprouts. Crispy little green balls that look like mini cabbage, nutritious and low in calories. They provide a complete group of vitamins, including vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium, and folic acid. Like other cruciferous vegetables, Brussels sprouts contain bioactive compounds such as antioxidants, chemicals that help prevent cell damage in your body. Number 3. Salmon. Known for their bright pink color, this oily fish is not only rich in healthy protein, it is also rich in protein. Omega-3 fatty acids are good for the heart and brain. It also offers you vitamin D for bone formation. Even so, serving salmon every day will seem difficult for most people. Number 2. Plain yogurt. This creamy snack gives you a dose of probiotics, the healthy bacteria that help you stay healthy. Your intestines function properly and contribute to better overall health. Yogurt is rich in nutrients, foods that load your body with protein, calcium, magnesium, vitamin B12, and some essential fats, acids your body needs to stay healthy. Number 1. Nuts. Crunchy and filling. Nuts not only fill you up but also provide an infusion of healthy oils, protein and vitamin E. Choose nuts like almonds, walnuts, and even peanuts, or use a handful of mixed nuts. Just make sure they bargain. Thanks for watching the video. Next will be in another useful video.